Hello friends, I am Arpita and this is my cooking channel Piquant Flavors Kitchen English. Today we are going to prepare aloo posto, a Bengali dish. This is mainly prepared in West Bengal and this is a very delicious dish and also a very nutritious one. If you want to watch our videos in Hindi language, then please refer to our channel Piquant Flavors Kitchen. And if you like the recipe videos of this channel, then please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of all the upcoming videos. So for preparing aloo posto, we have taken a bowl and in that bowl we are taking 5 tablespoons of posto or poppy seeds. We have taken 5 tablespoons. Now we'll wash and soak the poppy seeds for half an hour. We'll first wash it and then we'll soak the poppy seeds for half an hour. Now after half an hour, we'll put a strainer over a bowl and we'll strain all the poppy seeds through this strainer. We'll put all the poppy seeds over the strainer and we'll strain all the water. After straining, we'll make a smooth paste of this poppy seeds. We'll use a mortar and pestle for making the paste of the poppy seeds. If you want to use grinder, you can do that, but for that you have to make a powder of the dry poppy seeds. Do not wash it first. First make a dry powder, then add water and then make a smooth paste. In the mortar and pestle, it's easily gets grinded. See how smooth the paste has become. All our poppy seeds has turned into paste. We have transferred into a bowl. Now we'll add a little water to it. We'll make it a little thinner. Now we'll keep this paste aside. We have taken 5 medium-sized potatoes here. We have peeled the potatoes and kept it in water. Kept those potatoes in water so that its color doesn't change. Its color remains as it is if we put the potatoes after peeling into the water. Now we'll cut the potatoes into medium-sized cubes. We'll cut it into medium-sized cube only. Not too small, not too big. We'll cut all the potatoes. Now we'll keep the potatoes aside. See all the medium-sized cubes of the potatoes. We'll put this bowl aside and switch on the flame. We'll put a kadai over the flame and we'll add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil to the kadai or pan. This dish will be cooked in mustard oil. Most of the Bengali dishes are cooked in mustard oil. We have added 1 dry red chili, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick 1 inch, 2 cardamoms, 3 cloves and 5 to 6 black peppers. Now we are adding half teaspoon of nigella seeds and now we are adding the potatoes to the pan. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt to it and we will coat everything with oil properly. We will mix everything with the help of ladle. Now we will sprinkle a little water. After sprinkling a little water, we will cover the pan and we will let it cook for 10 minutes at low flame. After 10 minutes, we will uncover the pan and we will check the potatoes. Now we will add 3 green chilies slit, 1 teaspoon sugar and we will mix everything well. Now we'll add again a little water to it and we'll cover and let it cook for 10 minutes more. After 10 minutes we'll uncover and check the potatoes. Our potatoes has turned to soften. Now we'll add the poppy seed paste. We'll add all the poppy seed paste to it. We'll add a little water to the bowl and we'll wash everything and we'll add all the paste to the pan. Now we'll mix everything with the help of ladle. Mix everything very well. Now we'll add 1/3 cup more water and we'll cook the poppy seed paste by covering it until its raw smell goes away. We'll uncover after 10 minutes and we'll check the potatoes and the poppy seed paste mixture. Now we'll add a little more water and we'll mix everything properly with the ladle. Now we'll let it cook for some time in low flame. Now our potatoes are almost done. Aloo posto is almost ready now. We'll now transfer the aloo posto to a bowl and we'll serve it with rice and dal. This goes very well with rice and dal. It's a very favorite delicacy in Bengal. So if you like the videos of our channel, please make the recipes in your own home and let us know about your opinion in the comment section. Please like and share the video. Thank you.